Hello friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor and Head Veterinary Medicine. We continue with the naval ill. This is the seventh part. In this seventh part, we will take a new topic that is persistent urachus, patent urachus, and a naval infection in neonatal foals. Here we will see only etiology and clinical signs. This is an important bacterial disease and condition occur commonly in neonatal foals. Patent urachus, persistent urachus, naval infection in neonatal foals. Of the umbilical abnormality in neonatal foals, these abnormalities are most common. First understand the basic thing. What is urachus? Urachus is a tube within the umbilical cord which passes urine from bladder of the unborn foal, remember, in the womb of the mother, in the uterus, from bladder of unborn foal to the allantois in the uterus of the mother. Now what is allantois? Allantois is a fluid-filled sac around the unborn foal which collects the urine. Let us understand first what is normal. At the time of birth, the urachus closes automatically. The navel dries and contracts up within few hours of the birth. No problem, no infection, no complication. Now what is persistent urachus? The urachus does not close at the time of birth, but it will remain open. Persistent urachus. The other is patent urachus. Urachus closes at the time of birth and reopens at some future day or date or future time. That is patent urachus. In both the conditions, that is persistent urachus and patent urachus, the urine continues to escape from bladder to umbilicus and outside after the birth because the urachus remain open. So the quantity of this leaking urine varies greatly depending on how much the urachus is open. Either a dribbling one, the urine comes drop by drop to a full flow of urine. These two conditions may lead to inflammation and infection of navel because they are exposed to outside. Friends, here we discuss etiology of persistent urachus and patent urachus. Some of the suggested causes are below. Partial winding of umbilical cord in the womb of the male. So winding of umbilical cord may make the more prone for this disease. More length of the umbilical cord than normal. If the foal is weak and systemically sick, they are more risk of developing patent urachus because in these conditions the foals remain lying down for the long time because of the weakness and sickness and the foal is more prone. Continue with the etiology. If due to some reasons the fold strains more, when there is straining, it causes increase of intra-abdominal pressure that may cause patent or persistent urachus. Lifting up the fold under the abdomen also increases the intra-abdominal pressure. Naval condition, all these two conditions lead to naval infection and inflammation. That condition is called as a naval ill. We have seen so many slides on this naval ill. We discuss here some of the important clinical signs of persistent urachus and patent urachus. The important thing is that urine continues to escape from bladder to umbilicus to navel and outside. Now the quantity of this passing urine varies greatly from a dribbling, means drop by drop, to a full flow of urine, and the navel become wet because of this urine. Early signs of infection and inflammation of navel, that is swelling, pain, heat, and abscess at the navel. So naval ill signs are also observed. Because of the constant wetting of the skin at the navel, the scalding of skin is observed. Urine is an irritant, so it may cause dermatitis at the navel. If infection is there, there is purulent discharge from navel open, just like navel ill. If the bacteria and septicemia occur because of the entrance of organism into the blood, the infection spread to the whole body, and infection can localize in many parts of the body. Infection leads to fever, depression, loss of appetite. Septicemia is a very serious condition. The bacteria and toxins in the blood may get lodged in the various important parts of the body. If it localizes into the lungs, it causes pneumonia. There is great respiratory difficulty. Infection in the joints causes septic arthritis, a serious condition, lameness, swollen joint, and many mild or serious life-threatening complications are also observed that we will describe at the end of this topic. Sometimes it causes the death of the foal. Friends, we have seen here persistent urachus, patent urachus, and navel condition in neonatal foal. For watching more videos on animal diseases, visit our youtube.com oblique Dr. Vet channel. Share this information to veterinarians and veterinary students. Press like button to promote the channel. Subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.